the Gotrax F1V2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Gotrax F1V2 electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through it. Inside it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, pedals, bike bag, a bike lock, phone holder, and side mirrors. So here's the bike fully assembled. The assembly process was pretty simple. Basically you have to attach the handlebars, install the front wheel, the front light, install the pedals, and then install the seat. Going over some specs, this comes in 3 colors, green, black, and gray. It has a folding frame, 350 watt rear motor, 48 volt 10.4 amp hour lithium battery, up to 50 mile range, 20 mile per hour top speed, 20-inch tires, 5 pedal assist levels, and twist throttle. Colored LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, front and rear lights. It weighs in at 46.8 pounds with a max load of 264 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has a folding lever, front light, 20 by 2.6 inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back you have the battery keyhole, charging port, kickstand, mechanical disc brakes, and rear light. On the other side you can see the 350 watt rear motor and the folding lever. And finally, the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, bell, controls, LCD display, and twist throttle. So powering up the bike, you have the power button right here on the left side. Once it's powered up, you can see that the display is large and has a lot of colors. You have the battery indicator on the top. Pressing the plus button will increase the pedal assist mode. There's 5 levels, and pressing the minus button will decrease it. To the left of the plus button there's a button, and that will toggle the trip, odometer, max speed, average speed, and right below that button you have the button for the light. So there you see the front light. So taking a look at the handlebar area, you have an adjustment lever here, so you're able to raise and lower the handlebar. Right here you have the lever to take down the handlebar when folding. So basically you just push up and then pull, lower the handlebar. And on the other side you have a safety lever here, so you just push as well and then pull the lever. And then you're able to fold the bike. So that's how it is folded. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now for the rough terrain test, I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's also gravel on the side. The bike doesn't have any suspensions, but let's see how it does. Alright, here we go, rough terrain test. Alright, yeah, you are going to feel the bumps, but for what it has, it's handling it pretty well here. Let's see, onto the gravel. Now onto the speed test. The bike has 5 pedal assist levels and a twist throttle. I'm going to start off with the pedal assist, go through each level, see how fast it goes, and then we'll do the twist throttle. All right, here we go. Pedal assist 1. All right, about 10 miles per hour on pedal assist 1, moving to 2. About 13, moving to 3. About 16 miles per hour onto 4. About 17, 18 on pedal assist 4 and 5. So it looks like we're maxing out at 20 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Okay, with the pedal assist we hit 20 miles per hour, and I'm just going to do the twist throttle. Let's see how fast it can go. Here we go. Twist throttle only. Nice steady acceleration there. All right, we're up to 18 miles per hour, just like that. And 20. So it looks like with the twist throttle, this is also gonna max out at about 20 miles per hour.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Okay, now time for the uphill test. Let's see how it powers through here, if you can maintain the 20 miles per hour as we saw with the speed test, or if it loses speed. This road has a nice gradual incline. All right, here we go, uphill test. Again, smooth acceleration, motor is very quiet. All right, looks like we're gonna begin the climb here at about 19.5 miles per hour. Holding about 19.6. 19.5, so it's holding the speed. Very impressive. I thought it would lose a little bit more speed. All right, onto the turn here. There's a bit of a downhill. Okay, so with the uphill test, it maintained 19.5 miles per hour and it just powered through. I thought it would lose a bit of speed, but it did well. Now onto the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. And as I approach the midpoint over there, I'll probably have to slow it down. All right, here we go, downhill test. So again, very smooth. There's no rattles, no vibrations. The steering feels very stable here. The seat is comfortable. The saddle's nice and wide. So we're maintaining about 20 miles per hour, just going through this downhill, bit of an uphill here, and then back to the downhill.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't encounter any issues. The paint is a matte finish and there were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, but would have liked to have seen some front and rear fenders. The bike feels solid, the cables are well organized and the majority are ran through the frame. The saddle is wide and soft and comfortable. I had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are good length and I like that you can adjust the height as well. The overall steering felt stable and tight, no rattles or vibrations. Rough surfaces can be a bit bumpy as the bike does not have any suspensions, so it's best to keep it on smooth paths. The 350 watt motor was adequate. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 19 miles per hour during my testing. With pedal assist, I reached 20 miles per hour along with the twist throttle. This has an advertised max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles. This will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The mechanical brakes had good stopping power and they grabbed on quick. I like the nice large color display, simple and easy to read, and it's something you see on higher price models. Overall, I like the bike and how it performed. It was a smooth ride and I feel there's good value at this price point. It's lightweight and you have the ability to fold and transport or store with ease. So that is my review of the Gotrax F1V2 electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.